acupuncture are finer than the regular acupuncture. It belongs to specialized acupuncture techniques such as ear and eye acupuncture. And this therapeutic approach harnesses the body's natural healing mechanism by using densely packing and fine needle stimulation on the face. It mobilizes qi and blood to concentrate on the facial area. This process promotes the immune system and lymphatic system circulation and repair capabilities, increases local neurotransmitters, stimulates vasodilation, and enhances local nutrient supply to replenish adequate nutrition and moisture to the skin's various layers. After the needling, the face appears firmer, with reduced wrinkles and acne with excellent anti-aging effects. More importantly, face acupuncture has shown promising results in treating conditions such as melasma, facial acne, and acne scars. Hello, this is Margaret from Sanku's Traditional Chinese Medicine Hospital. Working in the Hospital of Traditional Chinese Medicine for over a year, I've accumulated rich experience in medical field and want to share this with you guys. Why needle the face? The face is a microcosm of the human body, with acupuncture points corresponding to the body's internal organs and systems. In the Ling Shu section of Huangdi Neijing, by stimulating acupoints on the face through acupuncture, we can unlock the meridians, promote the circulation of qi and blood throughout the body, and improve local conditions. This can lead to improvements in complexion, skin texture, reduction of melanin deposition, and tightening the facial muscles. Second, what are the advantages compared to Western medicine treatments? First, no side effects. Compared to Western medicine, such as laser devices, hyaluronic acid injection, minimally invasive surgeries, and etc., facial acupuncture in traditional Chinese medicine has no side effects whatsoever. It works by adjusting the body's own mechanism to enhance blood circulation and promote metabolic capacity. Second, bidirectional regulation. Facial acupuncture has a bidirectional regulatory effect on the skin's condition. Through neutral regulation, it cannot inhibit sebaceous gland secretion to reduce skin oiliness, but also promote sebum secretion to prevent skin dryness. After a certain course of continuous treatment, the skin can reach a healthy physiological state, bidding farewell to troublesome facial depressions, sagging, dullness, and wrinkles. Third, what are the precautions after facial acupuncture? First, avoiding wetting and maintaining the hygiene of facial skin and mucous membranes to prevent infection. Second, we should consume a light diet, including plenty of fresh vegetables and fruits high in vitamin C, while avoiding raw, cold, spicy, greasy, and allergenic foods such as fried chicken, beef, lamb, seafood, and etc. And it's recommended to avoid water contact with the face within 24 hours after face acupuncture. During the treatment period, refrain from using stimulating skincare products to prevent adverse reaction in individuals with sensitive skin. Finally, during the treatment period, drink plenty of water and ensure adequate sleep. This is the introduction of our traditional Chinese medicine cosmetology expert Yan Runhu. He has rich experience in traditional Chinese medicine cosmetology field. That's all for today's video. Thanks for your time. Like and follow us for better protecting you and your family's health. And there are links of our post videos for your watching.